Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's going on in the markets, guys? Voro here, and we've got a fascinating story to break down for you today. Gold futures just took an unexpected hit after the latest jobless claims numbers came out. So, let's dive into what this means. The most recent jobs report showed that only 218,000 new claims were filed last week in the United States. That's lower than the economists' predictions of 235,000, and actually lower than the previous week's number of 232,000. Now, when you see jobless claims fall like this, it can ease concerns about the state of the economy. And the impact on gold? Well, it turns out that a better-than-expected jobs report isn't exactly what investors were looking for in terms of safe haven assets. See, gold is often seen as a store of value and a hedge against economic uncertainty. So when things are going smoothly and the job market is firing on all cylinders, investors tend to lose interest in gold. Which is why we're seeing the most active gold futures go down 0.1% to around $3,763 a troy ounce right now. Not exactly what Voro would call a blockbuster move, but still worth paying attention to. And it's not just gold that's getting hit. Silver is also feeling the pinch, pairing some of its early gains to end up 1.3% to $44.79 a troy ounce. But here's the thing. While both metals are down, they're not down by as much as we might have expected. Now, let's talk about what this means for the bigger picture. When you see jobless claims fall like this, it can actually be seen as positive news. It means that the labor market is strong and there's less of a need for monetary stimulus. And when that happens, investors start to take notice. Which gets us back to gold. So, what does this mean for Voro's viewers out there who might be wondering how to navigate these markets? Well, just remember, it's all about context. When we see jobless claims fall like this, it can actually be a sign that the economy is doing well, and that means less interest in safe haven assets. That's what I'd call a silver lining for gold investors out there. But for everyone else, it might just mean that these metals are due for a bounce back sooner rather than later. And when that happens, Voro will be here to break down all the action and give you the inside scoop on what's happening in the markets. So stay tuned. Guys, it's going to be an interesting ride.